everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 69th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it. Now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use navigation tag, header tag and article tag. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag, title tag, we'll end the title tag and head tag. Now we'll start body tag, header tag, navigation tag. We'll copy the same line and paste it in the next line. Now we'll end the navigation tag. Now we'll start h1 tag. Now we'll end h1 tag. br tag. Now we'll end header tag. Now we'll use article tag. The article tag is used for the element which represent a self-contained composition in a document, page, application or site which is intended to be independently distributable. Now we'll once again use header tag, paragraph tag, now we'll end article tag, body tag and HTML tag. So now we'll save it as 69 and extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder and 69th program. So this is our basic output of how to use navigation tag and article tag. So this is if we click on home, it shows red color, but we have not attached any file to this all the, so it will not display us the file. So this is the basic output of how to use nav and article tag, and don't forget to check the tags in description.